Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Fill the bottle. Fill the magic potion bottle about halfway with distilled water. Add food coloring. Add a few drops of food coloring to turn the water into a colorful potion. Add glitter. Incorporate floral elements. Seal the bottle. Add a label.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make witch's potions. Place a teaspoon of baking soda in each test tube and a few drops of food coloring. You could add a little water and washing up liquid as well. When you're ready to make your potions fizz, use the pipette to drop a little vinegar into each test tube.
Take our lead.
The first step is to use a funnel to fill your bottle 3/4 way full with vegetable oil. Then fill it the rest of the way up with water, leaving about an inch of room at the top. Then add in drops of food coloring. I chose purple and green. And that's it.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make Amortentia, ashwinder eggs. First drop 1 ashwinder egg into your cauldron. Rose thorns. Next add in a handful of rose thorns. Refined peppermint oil. These ingredient is easy to get, it can be found in any grocery store. Moonstone. Stir your mixture. Spirals of steam. Mother of pearl. Give the potion to your crush.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Elixir, a substance believed to cure all ills. Love filter, love filter, love potion, filter, filter. A drink credited with magical power. Can make the one who takes it love the one who gave it. Based on WordNet 3.0, Farlex Clipart Collection.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.